This is an Elizabeth line service to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. We are now arriving at Canary Wharf.
Well, hello there. I've just arrived in Canary Wharf for a day of photography. Going to start with today, start here. So, what I'm doing is, I'm going to visit some filming locations, well, I'm getting the areas of filming locations. Now, I've just got to try and find someone that I can find where this bridge is, which I'm looking for. It's either one way or the other. I'm going to now flip the camera just to show you. But whatever I do, it's going to be fun, it's going to be great. Like I said, this is the first time here. It's just gone around about 8:30 in the morning. Let's do a little look round. I'm going to now take some photographs. This is what I'm here for. So, yeah. For all you that wondering what gear I'm using today, I'm shooting, as always, my trusty Nikon D3300. Camera I'm recording on is a Goodman's sports action camera, Goodman's action camera, £25, got it from B&M in the UK. And just so that I can record a little bit of audio on the underground or the train, where I feel just some background, I'm using a Honda dictaphone I bought years ago and is at last getting some use. So that's my equipment. I travel light. All I've got is snaps and of course a waterproof poncho. You never know. This is UK, of course. So England or London. So that's what I'm recording with, and I'm using a gorilla pod so that I can this one what all recording on.